Stuart Carter from Howard's in Dorchester. Just about to show you a short video on this Hyundai Kona. This particular one is a premium 1 litre GDI 120 brake horsepower petrol with the 6-speed manual gearbox. The car was registered September this year on a 68 plate to Hyundai Motor Company and is in acid yellow. Now, being a pre-reg again, so Hyundai have registered to themselves again. They're the first people shown on the registration document, and the car has only done 13 miles. Now, we're on London Road in Dorchester. If you'd like to come and have a look at the car, or give one of the team a call on 01305 266 066. Hope you enjoy the